Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's project we're going to be recreating this shirt. The first thing that you need is a spaghetti tank, a pair of scissors, 2 bandanas, pins, and a sewing machine. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is find a tank top that is V-necked, so it has those 2 pointy tops there. Not a tank top that is scooped. So we're going to use those peaks at the top of the shirt to guide us for the bandana halter top. So here I am just finding one of those corners and I am laying them on the shirt that I'm using as a guide. And then I'm going to take my thumb and my pointer finger and extend as far as I can, and then that's going to be my how far I'm going to have my plunge going. And then I'm just going to take some pins and pin that down. From there I'm going to find the bottom piece of both of my bandanas where they meet up, and I'm just going to sew a straight line from the bottom to where those pins are. Here I am at my sewing machine and I am going to sew that straight line that I was just talking about from the bottom of the middle of the front shirt. And I'm going to sew all the way up to where those pins were. Now before I filmed this part, I took those pins out and I put a little dot there so I knew where to stop. Once you have that done, I'm just going to unfold where it was folded, and I'm just going to line it up with the tank top and make sure everything is where I want it. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to lay everything flat, and I'm just going to grab the other 2 sides, which will be the back of the shirt. So I'll grab those corners, bring them together, and then I'm going to sew a straight line and pin that in place, and then I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine and sew that straight line. So here I am at my sewing machine sewing that line, and then I'm just going to cut off that excess triangle there that we have. And this is what you should have once you are done sewing that triangle part off, and I'm just going to quickly cut it off. And then I'm going to turn everything right side out, and then I'm going to be getting ready to add my straps. Now the straps you can get from pretty much anywhere. They are just like spaghetti bra straps. And I'm just going to use one, and I'm going to attach it from one peak to the other peak, so then it creates a halter. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm using my sewing machine to attach the one side, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Go back and forth to make sure that everything is secure. Cut off your strings, any thread that may be lying there. So here I am just doing the other side here, and that is pretty much it. It is a simple DIY. All of my stitches are just a basic straight stitch. Once you are done that, the next step is I'm going to be showing you what it looks like on. So I think it turned out really well, and I'm very happy with the outcome. If you like these sorts of videos, then please like and subscribe, and maybe leave me some ideas. I do have an Instagram, so shoot me a message if there's a shirt that you would like me to recreate. Thank you for watching. Bye.